Hi everyone! I hope you've enjoyed your first week of Leading Edge. Now that you've gotten to know each other a bit, we're ready to jump into the next module. It's awesome to see the wide range of experience and levels of expertise in our class. As we move through the modules in the next 7 weeks, I hope to learn more about your perspectives and background as you share your experience and ideas with the group. Before we jump into Module 2, I'd like to provide a quick overview of the calendar and how timing works in this course. From here on out, all assignments will be due on either Thursday or on Tuesday. Your initial discussion posts are due on Thursdays, with your responses to others due by the following Tuesday. The content for the following week is released on the Saturday morning, giving you the opportunity to get a jump start on the readings and assignments. This week, we will be exploring the history of online and blended learning. Last week was focused on you as an online learner. This week, we start the transition to you as an online teacher. It's going to be important you begin each module by reading the textbook for that module, so that you have the necessary vocabulary and background information to participate in the discussions and reflections and projects. You will begin by reading a 2011 report published by the Insight Institute that discusses the various models of online and blended learning, and then looks more carefully at what that looks like in actual school settings. Your discussion prompt this week has you delving into the profiles and analyzing the success factors and assessing how the profile might apply in your own school or district. Your reflection this week, assignment 2.2, asks you to think about how your instructional methodologies might need to change in an online or blended environment. Refer to the textbook for a discussion of both the pedagogical and technological skills needed for success. This week, you will complete your first portfolio assignment, a Venn diagram comparing online and/or blended learning and/or face-to-face teaching or learning. You will create your Venn diagram using an online tool or app. The curriculum links to a few tools, including Creately, Google Drawings, and others. You should try to play around with at least a couple of these tools to better understand the strengths and limitations. Creately has recently developed some issues with embedding, and not all tools seem to play nice with all browsers. Do feel free to use a tool that's not listed, including those for iPad or Android. You may submit a screenshot rather than an embedded object if necessary. To submit your portfolio assignment, you will use Haiku's Wiki Projects. Start by clicking on View Projects. The first time you do this, it will show you the directions again, and you will click Start My Wiki Site. The Haiku help page does have a tutorial about how to embed Web 2.0 tools on your wiki project. With that, have a great week. Let me know if you run into any difficulties, and I'll see you online.